Yo, hey dude, sup? Haven't seen you in a while, right? Oh, hey. Yeah, about that time. Maybe it's been over a year, maybe. Yeah, that's how much time we haven't seen each other in. How are you? Sorry, excuse that. Oh hell. The cops, man. I'm gonna die on the cops right now. You hear me?